Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's Rico and I hope you guys had a great day. So today I'll be talking about what that self-reward is and why we need it. I did this a very quick Q&A sessions in Instagram story, and here are some responses that I have catered. From Harry Wijaya 21, katanya perlu sih bro sebagai tambahan motivasi dan juga kebanggaan buat diri sendiri. So it's talking about something that can make you proud of yourself. Nice one, bro. From Danny Lust, katanya perlu biar nggak gila. Tapi bukan berarti selalu ya, jangan jadikan self reward sebagai alasan buat boros. Bener banget, like you know, some of my friends, they tell me about how they reward themselves. Sometimes it could be exaggerating, and they use this kind of term of self reward to really buy something that they don't even probably need, like something that they only want. I don't know whether something that they want will make them happy for a longer term or just for a temporary moment. We don't know. And this one came from Grace W. Zevanya. Katanya butuh karena jiwa ini seperti baterai HP yang harus dicas biar bisa ngejalin hidup dengan baik. Bener banget ya, talking about self-reward is actually an extensive list yang kalian punya sendiri, and we cannot actually standardize our self-reward towards one another. We have our own thing that can make us happy, so it's very important for you to find and pick one that really speaks to you, something that you can make it as your personal sanctuary. Terus nih ada yang bagus nih. It came from my secondary friend, Fiarni. Hai Amni. Yalah, always spare some percent of your income buat jajan. It's 30% for jajan sama essential nih. Makanya supaya nggak dibilang pemborosan berkedok self reward itu, makanya kita perlu budgeting ya guys. We cannot just claim everything that make us happy as our self reward itu tanpa planning and budget. The more you grow up, the more you understand how valuable money is, even though money is not everything. Tapi everything needs money, right? So we have to be wise with what God has given us. You know, the income that we've got, no matter how big or small the amount is, tapi kita tetap bertanggung jawab penuh atas berkat yang Tuhan sediakan. Self-reward that comes with responsibility in budgeting, I think that would be the perfect one. Jadi lu bisa enjoy reward lu tanpa harus khawatir dengan your other expenses in the future. Ngomongin soal bentuk self-reward nih, self-reward lu apa, Ci? Biasanya? Culinary food ya, comfort food ya gitu ya. Kalau lo, Van?
Pulang ke rumah, bisa ada duit pulang ke rumah nyenengin keluarga tuh.
Okay, talking about bentuk self-reward, I also ask my followers in my Instagram account, what is the form of your self-reward? Dan ini jawabannya, Esther Abigail T. Sesimpel es krim. Es krim guys, es krim can make you happy. As simple as that. Terus dari Florent _ Ardelia, nyalon. Jajan sama traveling. Wow, bahkan nyalon aja itu self reward ya, bener gak sih buat cewek-cewek?
Yes.
Apa enaknya nyalon kan cuma gunting rambut?
Tambah cantik. Kelihatan menambah pede.
Lebih pede ya? Oh, nih dari Yasinta Juntak pakai Q. Katanya sleep. What? Self reward itu is not always about talking spending money.
Yeah.
Konsep self reward itu is not about okay, how much money should I spend to make myself happy. No, it's about to understand and comprehend yourself about what you like the most. Even sleeping, that's I think that's the most costless activity ever karena kita hanya perlu tidur. I have a lot of stories from my friends yang mereka cerita gitu, kadang their auntie, their mom, they have this kind of difficulty to sleep karena mereka sampai harus have medications to have proper sleep. You know, some people out there, they are really struggling just even to sleep. For some people out there as well, like sleeping is one of the best remedy. Oke, ini dari Grace W. Zevanya lagi. Katanya me time. Alone buat nonton, dengerin lagu, dan katarsis ke orang yang bisa dipercaya. For me personally, self-reward itu sangat penting because it keeps me healthy from inside. There are two kinds of self-reward for myself. The first one is for the short term and the other one is long term. For the short term, usually I would really treat myself with my favorite food, which is banh mi. Let's say after a week of being so hardworking, you know, at the end of the day, I would also allocate some of my time before I sleep to play my favorite game, Mobile Legends. Playing mobile game provides me the moment to really express myself in gaming and how to interact with other people, even though it's not like direct interactions, but at least it gives me the pressure how to really boost up my strategy planning, how to interact with other people, even though it's only through the chatting platform. But for me, that's okay. It's still fulfilling, it still makes me happy. So I've been praying for this one since last year. I purchased this Canon PowerShot G7X Mark III. I've been reading the comments, I've been watching all the video reviews, and I have been comparing also this camera to its other competitors, and I have decided to pick this one because it's the most convenient in the features, and for the price it's also pretty friendly in my opinion. Self-reward comes in a lot of forms. Do not follow the trend, do not follow something that does not really suit you, because once again, what suits on other people will not guarantee that it's going to suit also on you. So get yourself happy.
Everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it off. Shelter, I know that I've been waiting for some shelter in my heart. I can't control the words I've been saying, filter me out, my mind is just playing hard as running wild. Got me talking like a child. I'm bringing that fire. So I get higher. Got me starting on a riot till we light fire. So always getting higher. I'm bringing that fire. So I get higher. Got me starting on a riot till we light fire. So always getting higher. Everybody's talking at me, and maybe I should turn it off. Shelter, I know that I've been waiting for some shelter in my heart. I can't control the words I've been saying, filter me out, my mind is just playing hard as running wild. Got me talking like a child. I'm bringing that fire. So I get higher. Got me starting on a riot till we light fire. So always getting higher. I'm bringing that fire. So I get higher. Got me starting on a riot till we light fire. So always getting higher. I can't control the words I've been saying, filter me out, my mind is just playing hard as running wild. Got me talking like a child.